Good morning, my dear student. And today your topic is the Raoult law for non-volatile liquid. इसके पहले मैंने आपको राउट लॉ फॉर वोलाटाइल लिक्विड बताया था. आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि राउट लॉ फॉर नॉन वोलाटाइल लिक्विड. तो बी केयरफुल एंड दिस इज द very most important, and this in this type theoretical question is coming in the board exam, and short questions is very most important for board exam in this topic. So be careful, listen these questions. Okay, my dear student, so I start the topic Raoult law for non volatile liquid. So at a given temperature, at a given temperature, the vapor pressure of a solution, the vapor pressure of a solution contain the vapor pressure of a solution contain non-volatile solute is, this is the containing, is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the solvent. Means P directly proportional to XA. The XA is the mole fraction and P equal the vapor pressure of solution, vapor pressure of a solution. Hence P equal PA not XA. Okay, PA naught is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. PA naught is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Okay, any problem? If any problem, you call me and you give any doubt in my WhatsApp number. मेरे WhatsApp नंबर में आप कोई भी डाउट आपका हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो, आपके डाउट में कोई भी हो, तो आप मेरे WhatsApp नंबर में या आप डायरेक्टली मुझे एनी टाइम आप यू कॉल मी. ओके, this is the non-volatile liquid. It is very most important for the solution. Okay, P by PA naught equal XA. Then subtracting each side of the equation, suppose first 1 from 1. So we have 1 minus PA by PA naught equal 1 minus XA. Hence P naught A minus P by PA naught equal XB, where the XB equal 1 minus XA. This is the taken from the mole fraction of the question, that this curve means xa plus xb equal 1. This is okay. तो P नॉट भी है, तो P नॉट सॉल्वेंट माइनस P सॉल्यूशन बाई P नॉट सॉल्वेंट इक्वल x सॉल्यूट. This is the formula of the non-volatile solutes, and here Pa naught minus Pa equal difference in vapor pressure of pure solvent and solution. It is represented. It is represents the lowering